Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to do a starling, grackle, blackbird kind of hunt. You can see the farmers over here planting this field right now, and you can kind of see some of the blackbirds right next to those trees over there. They're eating all the seed. So these are completely legal to hunt right now. They are destroying the crop. So let's go ahead, see if we can get some of these starlings, blackbirds or grackles. Just going to be hunting in these pine trees here. The blackbirds and starlings are out here eating the crops, and they like to come back from the field, land up here in these birch trees that don't really have leaves on them right now. Still pretty early spring. And actually right up here, it's a little nest of some baby bunnies. So they're down in there. Let's go ahead, see what comes by. There's a little tiny chipmunk right in the crotch of that tree there behind the hunting shack. I know there's no one in there. I'm gonna take a poke at him, see if I can get him on the ShotKam too. Yep, got him. Pick up the shell. Always pick up your shells. Don't litter in the woods. There we go. First kill of the day. Got this chipmunk. All right, we got two up in the top of this tree. Let's see if I can get them. See, these blackbirds are out here eating the corn. All right, we got a chipmunk sitting on top of this wood pile here. I think I got him. Let's go take a look. Might be a little hard to find because a lot of times they fall down in these wood piles. Yep, that looks like what happened. Looks like he went down in the wood pile here. Got one up here in the top of the tree. Alright, I went across the road now, over here by these barrels. I'm going to post up here. You can see all the blackbirds out there and just wait for them to fly overhead here now. This looks like a lot better spot. I do have permission from this farmer to hunt this field. The GoPro ended up dying at the end of the hunt, so I didn't end up getting everything on GoPro, but I did get a few more shots on the ShotKam that I'll actually post after this. I'll actually post some of the videos from the ShotKam from a few previous hunts and some of the birds that I got. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.